Good Friday, friends. Great to see you. We have a lot of wintry weather coming our way between Friday night and Sunday. We will have a couple of bouts of some shower activity around the region that could give rise to some light freezing rain, especially north and west of Columbus, with temperatures being a little bit colder out that way. It should be a little bit warmer east and south of Columbus to really mitigate that, but that's an ongoing concern this weekend. Monday, we think there's going to be an ice storm that will produce a lot of freezing rain and or sleet in our area. And then another system late Wednesday into Thursday will have to be watched for some wintry weather as well. So we mentioned Friday night, Saturday, Sunday, these areas outlined in the pink. A little bit of glaze potential with some of those showers that will be moving on in. These areas will be a little bit colder at or slightly below freezing, a better chance for a glaze. So do watch out for slippery spots, especially on those bridges in that shaded area. For tonight, your Friday night, low 30s to mid 30s in the southeast. And temperatures will be at or below freezing a few degrees across our northwestern counties. For Futurecast, you can see our Friday night. You can see a little bit of shower activity coming on in. On the northwestern side of that, there will be that little glaze potential, so just be aware. As we get into our Saturday afternoon, we get back into a bit of a lull. Now, as we talk about your Saturday, highs will range from the mid-30s to the low 40s on that map, but let me just tell you, we will probably range from the low to mid 30s in most spots here. So some of these numbers look to be a little bit too warm. We'll just see how it all plays out. Sunday, cloudy, cold, very similar to Saturday temperature-wise, mid to low 30s in many spots. And another little disturbance will zip on through, and across our northwestern zones, we may start to see some freezing rain or some sleet perhaps, but probably more freezing rain than anything else, mixed in with some of those showers as they come on in. So that's the weekend. Your Monday, the bigger event. From mid to late morning into the afternoon and the early evening, we think there's a chance for a quarter of an inch to maybe half inch of ice accumulation. That would be freezing rain. And there could also be some sleet that will get mixed on in with this as well. That could mitigate some of the impacts if it can cut down on some of the freezing rain, but it's still ice. It can still cause slippery spots. And if we have that and then freezing rain, we'll have just a combination of factors out there. So freezing rain, sleet looking more likely here on Monday. Early during the day, this is 4 o'clock in the morning, fairly quiet, we think, overall. But by mid-morning, here comes the moisture. And that will continue into the afternoon and then zip out of here by early to mid-evening. And then we just get terribly cold in the wake of that system. Wind chills early Tuesday morning, maybe down into the single digits above and below zero here, folks. So when it's this cold, this extreme in the deep south, protect the pipes, bring in your pets, check on all the people that you will be concerned about because it's looking pretty nasty for the next 7 days. Saturday, Sunday, 36 degrees northwest of Columbus will be cooler than that, we think. The ice storm Monday, and then we may have a period for all spots here, sometime Monday through Wednesday morning, that we are below zero or below freezing. And that's going to be a problem with those dangerous wind chills and some icy roads that may not be melting because it's just going to stay quite cold. Late Wednesday into Thursday, that next wintry weather maker will be coming our way. Still a lot of uncertainty with that. We have to fine-tune things. Let's get through Monday first. And then things start to settle down next Friday, and we should become mostly sunny and much more closer to average by next weekend. So really a week of winter, hardcore winter weather for the next 7 days. There's your forecast. More updates later on this weekend.